Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use Visual ChatGPT. So at first, you can just go to your Chrome browser and go to your ChatGPT account. Now, basically, ChatGPT 3.5 don't have a visual option, so you need to upgrade it to ChatGPT 4. To upgrade it, just click on Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So now here you can see to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus you need to pay $20 per month, but there is another way to use visual effect on ChatGPT. Just go back, and if you're an Android user, just go to your Play Store, and in the top search bar you can search for Bing app. I have already installed this app. You can just install it from here and open it like this. Now in the bottom here you can see chat option. Just click on it, and in the middle here you can see use ChatGPT 4. Just click it to turn on, and after turning it on you can use image in the ChatGPT 4. Just click on this icon and click on your gallery. You can choose a photo, and after selecting the photo you can just ask for anything. Just like I have chosen a stadium. So what's a football stadium like? And after that you need to just wait for a few seconds or minutes, and the ChatGPT will analyze the photo and your question. So guys, that's how you can use Visual ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.